out tonight? Baby girl, just watch the city lights. Baby girl, can I come through? Baby girl, cause I gotta see you. Baby girl, can we sneak out tonight? Baby girl, just watch the city lights. Baby girl, can I come through because I gotta see you? Can I come through because I gotta see you? It's like Romeo and Juliet, me and you from the moment that I met you. I knew that I'd do anything just to get your attention. If I had to skip school, then I served my detention. Wait, did I mention? You're too cute, make my heart skip a beat like 1 and 2. Now what am I to do? I just can't get you off my mind. But your dad don't like my father, so they limiting our time together. They call it puppy love, but whatever. See, they don't know you like I know you, baby girl. My world, you're like diamonds and pearls. On a hot summer day, you're my ice cream swirl. Maybe we can run away on my bike tonight. I know your daddy don't play, but it'll be alright. Let's knock on some wood, take a ride through the hood. See, I love